Yeah. What the fuck, man? No, so we're locked in, bro. It's day one. It's trip days, road trip days, drive day, whatever you want to call it. We're in there, pussy. Go fuck yourself. I'm gonna go load these Johns up in the whipsker, and then whip down the Travers whenever Travers is ready, and then we fucking take off. We got solid 7 hours in front of us. You know how it is, man. It is what it is. It'll be cool though. We've made this drive multiple times. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you when I get the shit loaded in. Well, the camera on this shit is crazy, bro. Damn. No shot. Second stop of the trip, bro. Buddy's getting gasolina, bro. We're at that old classic travel center. You know what they do. Look at Buddy in the back. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, we're in here. North Platte, about 4 hours, brother. We're in there. Shut the fuck up, fat bitch. You heard it first, folks. Shut the fuck up, you fat bitch. Second stop. Go kill yourself. Back on the road, chasing tornadoes. Big tornadoes. We're going westbound on I-80. Approximately 75 miles per hour. We're cooked. The tornado is eastbound, heading, shit, you can say directly towards us at approximately 350 miles per hour. So one way or another, we're making contact. We'll come back with you, boys. Came across the tornado, boys. Real close, it's forming right there. There's the inner vortex. The clouds right there, about to start spinning around. Darkness. Tornado. We made it, bitch. We gotta do some other things though that we can't condone. So don't worry about it. Guess I look fucking retarded.
It's kind of crucial there's no food up in here.
That's what we're fucking getting food later. That's what we're doing. I brought my mics too, fuckboy, so we can actually do something too, you fucking retard. Look at you. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay bold. Go fuck yourself.